Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Answer the Public for content questions and intent, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Answer the Public, start by opening your preferred web browser. Type Answer the Public in the search bar and press enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search results to navigate to the Answer the Public homepage. Once on the homepage, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed. In the search bar, type in a topic or keyword relevant to the content you want to explore. After entering your keyword, click on the Get Questions button. The site will process your request and generate a visual representation of questions, prepositions, and related queries. Wait a moment for the results to load, as it may take a few seconds. Once the results are displayed, you'll notice various sections, including questions, comparisons, and related searches. Click on any section to expand it and view specific questions and phrases related to your keyword. To gather insights, take note of the questions that align with your content goals. You can also download the results by clicking on the download icon, usually located at the top right corner. If you want to start a new search, simply return to the search bar and enter a different keyword. With this tool, you can uncover valuable content questions and user intent with ease. Explore the suggestions to gain a deeper understanding of what your audience is searching for. This will help you create relevant and engaging content that meets their needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.